Draw the line. Lily was drawing something on the chalkboard at school.
Hi, Lily. What are you drawing?
Hi, Eddie. I'm drawing a long-tailed grass lizard. It has the longest tail in the world.
I don't see a tail.
That's because I haven't drawn it yet.
Is Lily's drawing finished?
Do you want to draw it?
I'm not sure how.
Just draw a really, really, really long line.
A really long line. Okay, I can do this.
Is Eddie going to draw a really long nose?
Eddie drew to the edge of the chalkboard.
I think this needs to be longer. But there's no more chalkboard. What should I do? I'll just keep drawing.
Did Eddie run out of chalk?
So Eddie kept drawing. He came to where Duo was standing.
This tail isn't long enough yet. Excuse me, Duo.
And Eddie kept drawing.
Is Eddie still drawing on the chalkboard?
He came to where a teacher was standing.
Excuse me. This tail still isn't long enough.
Does Eddie want to keep drawing?
Eddie kept drawing until there was no more chalk.
Uh-oh, I ran out of chalk. Do you think the tail is long enough?
Wow, I think this really is the longest tail in the world.
I guess it is pretty long.
What should we draw next?
Is Lily happy with how long the tail is?